Oh, look at the beautiful color. Oh, did you see the beautiful color? Golden color.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa is going to make a sweet and sour fish. And what I have today is something very beautiful. This is a 5 kg fish cutlet taken out from a 5 kg wild barramundi fish, siakap fish. Some of you may think that siakap fish is nothing special. Actually, until you go and try any wild siakap, which is more than 3 kg, it tastes heavenly. The skin, if you pan fry or deep fry, it will taste like keropok, and the flesh is super nice and lovely. You must try, seriously. I actually bought a whole 5 kg fish today, and this is one cutlet from it, and look at how beautiful it is. We are going to deep fry half. Actually, Chinese, there's one word called 半煎炸, meaning half deep fry, half pan fry. Then I'll be making a sweet and sour, a very easy sweet and sour sauce using tomato sauce. And I have some capsicum, trying to finish the remaining capsicum from my fridge. So I have some different colors of capsicum here. There are bell pepper, and ginger, and also garlic. First, you want to give it a good amount of oil. So maybe you don't want to use an oil which is too expensive. Normally, Appa will choose the palm cooking oil for that purpose. And another good thing about palm cooking oil is that it can withstand very high heat. So it's actually very suitable for deep frying or pan fry. So let's heat up the oil until it starts to smoke. Yeah, that is the first key of frying fish. Heat up the oil until it starts to smoke. Not the wok start to smoke, but the oil start to smoke. That is at least 180 degrees Celsius and above. Once you start seeing some smoke coming out from the oil, we can use a tong to help you to put the fish inside. Then the first rule after you put the fish inside is don't touch it. Let the crust form out nicely at the bottom. That will probably take about close to about 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah. So we can come back shortly. Oh, by the way, I did marinate the fish with a little bit of salt. This is right after approximately 2 minutes. Wow, this is probably the thickest fish cutlet I ever fried. So now I'm going to carefully turn it over. I will use a spoon to help. I don't want to push it to the side because the side doesn't have oil. If I push it to the side, it will actually stick to the side. But look at how beautiful it is. And look at how big it is. This, my deep pan here. This is not a wok, by the way. It's a special pan, special deep pan that I purposely buy to fry fish. I'm serious. I think this is at least 28 centimeter. So look at this, 28 centimeter, and the fish is almost like 80% of it. You can know how big it is. So I will give this side another 2 minutes at least. Wow, this fish is huge. Probably I have to deep fry a little bit longer than usual. We'll come back shortly. This is after another 2 minutes on the second side. Let me carefully switch it over. Wow, look at this. Actually, this fish is like 80% cooked already. Now I just want to, oh, look at the beautiful color. Oh, did you see the beautiful color? Golden color. I just want to get the kind of all-rounded brown color that I really wanted. And I'm also trying to make the skin crispy for me. Seriously, the fish skin for this size of barramundi fish or siakap fish or sea bass, however you want to call it, it will taste heavenly. This is after about another 1 more minute, and I will turn one more last round. This is the kind of color I'm looking for. So this last round, I will give the other side another 1 minute enough. So how much time I spent actually? 2211. 2211. 6 minutes in total. After 1 minute, I'm going to remove the fish. So I'm just have to prepare some kitchen towel at the side. Total deep frying or pan frying time, 6 minutes. And this fish is super thick. Look at how beautiful it is. Let's quickly make the tomato sauce. Alright, give it a little bit of oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil here. We're going to saute the garlic and ginger. Actually, garlic and ginger here is optional, up to you. Saute this for a while before we continue. Once the garlic started to brown, we can actually put in the capsicum. Stir fry it a bit. And I'm going to tune down to low heat. Now we are going to add in the tomato sauce. You can add in a good amount of tomato sauce here. Three, 4, 5 tablespoons also can, no problem. A bit more also no problem. Finish off this bottle of my tomato sauce. Now don't add any water first. Let's saute your tomato sauce for a while. This will actually help to bring out the nice orangey color from the tomato sauce. So you do want to saute your tomato sauce just by itself, not adding any water yet. Now we can raise the fire a little bit to medium. Next thing, we can actually add in some water. Hot water I'm using. And we're going to give it some seasoning here. Not too high heat. A little bit of salt. A little bit of light soy sauce to give it some darker color. A little bit of darker color, yeah. You can add in some sugar here also, up to you, optional if you ask me. I'll put in a bit of sugar here. You can also add in my Cooking Apa chicken stock powder, yeah? Basically, our beautiful sweet and sour sauce is ready. So here's my beautiful fried siakap. And we'll bungee it with the sauce, sweet and sour sauce here. Not done yet. You can put in some tomato also actually, together with the capsicum if you like. If it's not done yet, I still have some fresh coriander. Let's garnish with some fresh coriander on top. Alright, now it's done. Try to use this fish to ask your kids to eat fish. Seriously, it tastes superb. Alright, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. A home cooking dinner can be very, very simple. Bye-bye.